Morning student, welcome to GYANJYOTI online classes, class 8, English grammar, chapter 4, adjectives and its exercise we have to discuss. I have discussed you adjective is a word used to describe or quality a noun or a pronoun. Okay, so there are different types of adjective of quality, quantity, number, demonstrative, possessive, interrogative. You have to go through the different types of adjective and practice maximum perfect. So I hope you have to practice because sometimes you forget, that's why you need more again study. So student, let's start. Page number you can open 39. Page number 39. You can open and let's discuss here given. Learn. First one is learn. And from here we shall discuss, yes, and here choose the correct adjectives from the box to complete these sentences. Yeah, so let's discuss student. Long ago on a distant hill lived an old man and his 3 daughters. We can write first one is distant, then an old man and his 3 daughters. I am mentioning here 3 daughters. He had a spacious cottage. Spacious cottage. Spacious cottage. With it, ivy growing on either side. In front of the cottage there was a small garden with multicolored flower beds. Multicolored flower beds. A bed of flowers bloomed next to a narrow path. From the tall trees hung juicy fruits of various kinds. Juicy fruits. There was also a deep lake. Okay, in which song fish could be spotted. The kind villagers would often come by to have a brief chat. With the family. The close-knit family. Looked their wise neighbors more than the others. This is the answer question of this. Yes, student, did you understand this point? Learn this from the option. Yes, student, we can discuss now page number 40. Practice. Underline the adjectives in these sentences. Copy the table in your notebook and put the adjectives in the correct columns. Okay, so the sentence is lengthy one. Just I am writing only the answers. No need of writing long sentences to save our time. Okay. Question number 1. The teacher understood there was something fishy going on the last bench of the class. Here, 2 adjectives I can find. Number 1, fishy, one of the adjective, and another one is last. In this sentence, both are adjectives. We can find out, or instead of writing whole sentence, you can understand fishy. Yeah, that is an adjective. And also last bench, that is also an adjective. It's clear? Question number 2. Rihanna opened the purple box and saw what was inside. Here, number 2, purple box. Purple box. Okay, purple. Number 3. Oh, what a pleasant surprise. What a pleasant. Pleasant is an adjective. Pleasant surprise. Number 4. These mangoes are from Maharashtra. These mangoes are from Maharashtra. Question number 4. These here, these is demonstrative noun. Demonstrative adjective. Question number 5. Salu is not fond of dash drinks, that is the cold drinks. And here, cold is an adjective. Cold. Question number 6. Every household in this locality has a solar panel installed on the terrace. Okay, every house in the locality has a solar panel installed and on the terrace. Every household. Every. Question number 7. Siddhartha handled the tricky situation with great tact. Here, Siddhartha handled the tricky. Here, tricky situation. Tricky. T-R-I-C-K-Y. Tricky. Question number 8. Which material should I choose for the curtains? Which material should I choose for the curtains? Here I come a question. Which is here adjective. Which. Interrogative adjective. Okay. Question number 9. The government has stocked enough food for the flood affected victims. Enough food. Here an adjective is enough. E-N-O-U-G-S. Enough. Question number 10. That house is not mine. My house is on your left. Here, question number 10. That house. Here, that is an adjective, and my house is on left. Mine. That, mine. Question number 11. These sweets will give you an upset stomach. These sweets upset stomach. These upset. Both are adjective. 12 number. What animal would you like to be in the school play? What? What? So these are all the adjectives from the different types of adjectives we found. And students, now the next question is copy the table in your notebook and put the adjectives in the correct columns. Now you have to make a table and put in correct columns. Okay? So students, now in this table you can see the different types of adjectives. Quality, seen, purple, pleasant, cold, tricky, offset. Quantity is enough. Number, last, every. Demonstrative adjective is that, these. Then interrogative is which, what. Possessive adjective is mine. So students, you can understand this all. So now students, let's discuss about the next point of this page number 41. You can open and we shall discuss Now next point, page number 31. And here, B number, use the opposite of the words in the box to complete these sentences. And here, we have to discuss, there are 9 questions. Number 1, the dash point of the show was when the artists appeared on stage together. 1 number, answer is, yes, in the option given low, low's opposite is high. Number 2, there was a dash smell coming from the kitchen. Dash smell. Here in the bracket given pleasant, opposite is unpleasant. Unpleasant. On you can use another word, foul smell. Foul smell also you can use. दुर्गंध जो है. Question number 3, dash at the party had brought dessert for the host. Here even nobody, and we can write everybody. Everybody. Question number 4, this film is for dash viewing. This film is for dash viewing. Given in the bracket public's, opposite is private. Private. Question number 5, the dash brown fox jumped over the dash dog. 5 number is fast brown fox jump over the dash dog. Here given active, active opposite is inactive or lazy. Inactive, or you can write lazy. In unpleasant you can write foul smell. You can write another word. Question number 6, you need to have a dash approach to handling the situation. Dash approach. 6 number, in the option given answer is clear. Answer is clear. Yes, answer is clear. And you can use next number, 7 number. Please read these instructions carefully. Pay attention to the dash point. Attention to the last point. First is last. Question number 8. The dash audience. Dash audience was the antics of the toddlers. Annoyed, the opposite is pleased. Pleased audience. Pleased or cheerful. Question number 9. The cloth woven by those artisans were doll. Here colorful and doll. So these are all this answer of this. Now students, now discuss about C number question answer. And we shall discuss question number C. And we shall discuss here. Rewrite these sentences using the adjective form of the highest highlighted words. Make necessary changes and add words if needed. One has been done for you. One is given. Her act of foolishness. means her foolish act was responsible for our failure. Number 1 is given. So now let's discuss number 2. Question is here. You should not behave like a child. Like a child means childish. Question number 3. The soldier fought bravely. Bravely means the soldiers were fought bravely means the soldiers were brave. The soldiers were brave. Question number 4. She is strong. She handled the situation boldly. She is strong. She was bold enough to handle the situation. So you write she was bold enough. Boldly means bold enough to handle the situation. Bold enough to handle the situation. Question number 5. He lived in a brick house made from bricks. Means he lived in a brick house. He lived in a brick house. Question number 6. There was chaos at the station when the train arrived. Chaos. The train was chaotic. Sorry, the station was chaotic. The station was chaotic. Rest of it you have to copy it, okay? Chaotic when the train arrived. Number 7, her bluntness is what I like most about her. Answer: she is blonde and that is what I like about her. She is blonde and that is what? She is blonde that. She is blonde and that. She is blonde and that. She is blonde and that is what I like most about her. I have to copy it, rest of it. Question number 8. The princess wore a necklace with diamonds. Means the princess wore a diamond necklace. Diamond necklace. Right? Diamond necklace. Question number 9. His heroism was praised by one and all. Means everybody praised him for his heroic deeds. Everybody praised him. Everybody praised him for his heroic deeds. Last one. The poor family spent many nights without sleep. Means the poor family spent many sleepless nights. Nights without sleep means sleepless nights. Sleepless nice. This is all about the answer of C. Now students, you can open page number 45. You have to open page number 45 and we shall discuss about. Here, now given positive, complete this table with the correct degree of comparison. I just discussed. Able, comparative, more able, superlative, most able. Exact, comparative, more exact, superlative, most exact. Then difficult, more difficult than most difficult. Next one is famous, then more famous than most famous. Next one is far, further, F-A-R-T-H-E-R, furthest, F-A-R-T-H-E-S-T. Then bad, worse, worst, W-O-R-S-T, worst. Number, next number, numerous, more numerous, most numerous. Next one is suitable, more suitable, most suitable. Then unjust, more unjust, most unjust. Merry, M-A-R-R-Y, merry, merrier, merriest. This is all about the table with a correct degree of comparison. Now, next one is practice. Number A, identify the errors in these sentences and write them correctly in your notebook. Okay. Number one, this is better of all the two songs. It is better means it is best of all the two songs. Number one, better than best. Is page number 45 and question number 8 practice. This is practice. Better is जगह में best. Number 2, who is the younger of these? Harish, Raghav or Ritesh? Yeah, who is the youngest? Younger, youngest. Number 3, this is the more eloquent of the 3 speeches that I have heard. More eloquent, that is not correct, you have to write most eloquent. Instead of more intelligent. It's okay. Next question. 4 number. My parents live in the most new house in this locality. Most new is wrong. My family live in the new house in this locality. Most will be got. 4 number. We have to remove this. Question number 5. Although this is a narrower street, many large trucks enter it. Yes, although this is a narrow street, narrow street. Although this is a narrow street, many large trucks enter in. 6 number. He may be the stronger boy in this class, but he is not smarter one. No, that is not stronger, strongest and smartest. Strongest, S-T-R-O-N-G-S-T, strongest and smartest. Strongest and smartest. Question number 7, page number 46, you can open. And next number question is 7. This is the heavier of the 3 parcels. Heavier is not correct. This is the heaviest. Question number 8. May you grow most courageous by the day. Most courageous by the day. That is not correct. Most instead of right. More. And question number 9. The more tall he grows, the best are his chances of becoming basketball player. Basketball player. Number 9 is the more tall means no correct. That correct one is the taller he grows. Taller he grows. Taller he grows, the better, the best name. Better are his chances of becoming a basketball player. Better, best player, better. Tell our question. The most miserly of the two rulers will donate clothes today. The most miserly is wrong. The more miserly. More miserly. Tell us what will be more miserly. The 11th question. She is the brighter star of this batch. Brighter is not correct. The brightest. Brightest. B-R-I-G-H-E-S-T. Brightest. And the 12th number here. This has been the happier day of my life. Happier day is not correct. This has been the happiest. Happiest day, my life. Happiest day of my life. So did you all understand the student? Now next one, choose the correct option. 46 number page. Number 1, I need dash honey. Correct answer is some honey. Yes. Number 2, is there any sugar in the tea? Number 3, I have a few sugar, I have few biscuits in my bag that we could all share. Number 4, how many students? Many is used in countable nouns. Okay. Number 5, if you do not practice a little dance every day, you will not perform well. Number 6, the visitors could do with some rest before the ceremony began. Question number 7, the teacher will speak to every student and explain the rules. Every student. Every is the universal. Okay. Mass. Is there any milk in the refrigerator? That is correct one. Any. Okay. 9 number question. Anshul asked if there was any. There was any difference between an antelope and a black buck. 10 number. We are facing a little trouble with the new neighbors. 11 number, some participants refused to cooperate. And last one, much water has flown beneath this bridge since that fateful night. This is all about the big question. Now, C number question now discuss. Rewrite these sentences by arranging the adjective in or correct order. In some sentences there may be no changes. Insert comma where required. Okay. Question number 1. I bought a silk black sari from a cheap small shop. Yes, here I bought a small silks, blues and black silk sari from a cheap small shop. You have to add something and silk, blue and black. Blue and black. Number 2, the park is full of round, large black stones. And such the park is full of large black round. Here written round, large means large round. Large black round, large black round. Round will be at the last. Okay. Now next one, the glossy silver expensive artistic is attractive. Here is some correction. Glossy expensive silver. Glossy silver expensive is wrong. Glossy expensive silver. Number 4. I have just bought a German old ancient and manuscript. That is, I have just bought an ancient old German manuscript. Ancient old German. German old ancient wrong. Ancient old German. That is the correct answer. Number 5. The French enjoy tasteful, simple, small meals. The French enjoy simple, tasteful, small. Simple, tasteful, small. Yeah, the order of adjective we have to know. Question number 6. A brown, huge, broken trunk lie beneath the broken old bed. Okay, number 6. A brown, huge, a broken, brown, huge trunk. First broken, a broken, brown, huge trunk lies beneath the broken old bed. That is the correct one. 7 number. The rubbery shiny ball is in the top drawer. The rubbery and shiny ball is in the top drawer. Here will be and. The rubbery and shiny ball. 8 number. Will you get me a pair of leather American high-heeled black boots? Okay, here is the correction. Will you get me a pair of high-heeled black red American leather boots? High-heeled black American leather boots. That is the correct one. Number 9. We have designed a spectacular lesser audio-visual presentation. This is the question. We have designed a spectacular audio-visual lesser presentation. Lesser audio-visual wrong. Audio-visual lesser is correct one. 10 number. The restaurant has large, round, flat, revolving tables. Right answer is the large restaurant has revolving, round, and flat tables. Once again, the large restaurant has revolving, round, and flat tables. So student, you have to practice this all. Now last one, you have to just match it, and we have to finish this one. Place these adjectives in the correct column. So students, answer of D is here is European comes excellent, expensive, great, horrible, cheap. In size, gargantuan, narrow. In age, ancient. Color is not speak, nothing in this question. Shape is square. Origin means कहाँ से शुरू हुआ. Paleolithic, one of the age. Stone age, okay. France is the one of the countries. Place. Material is cotton, old, iron, etc. These are the answers of D where you have to find these. I hope you have to practice well on this exercise and you will do better in the examination. So meet you once again. Have a good day and goodbye.